In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra columns in Google Sheets. We'll start right from the Google homepage. Open your web browser and head to Google. You'll need to be signed in to your Google account so you can get to your files. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon made of dots. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Services. From that menu, choose Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home, where you can see your recent spreadsheets and any files you have access to. Find the spreadsheet you want to update and open it. If it's not immediately visible, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it by name. Once the sheet is open, we're ready to add the extra space you need. To insert a new column, move your mouse to the header row at the top of your sheet where the column letters appear, A, B, C, and so on. Right-click on the letter of the column next to where you want your new column to go. For example, if you want to add a column between B and C, right-click the C header. A context menu will appear with options specific to that column. In the menu, select either Insert one column left or Insert one column right. Insert left places the new column immediately to the left of the column you selected. Insert right places it immediately to the right. As soon as you choose one, Sheets will create the new column and shift existing data accordingly. Your formulas and formatting will move with the data in most cases, so references remain accurate. If you're working with a large sheet, take a quick look to confirm everything lines up the way you expect. That's all there is to it. Repeat the same process anywhere you need more room. If you accidentally place a column in the wrong spot, use Undo to revert instantly, or simply try again on the correct header. Keep in mind that inserting a column in the middle of a data table pushes content to the right, so double-check that you're not displacing information you intended to keep grouped. When you're finished, your sheet will have the additional columns you need, ready for headers, data, or formulas. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.